Are you ready, Dad?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Set, go.
Oh. Dashing
Into the song, and one was the band. We go. Let's sing on the way.
Ha ha.
Ha ha. Learn about the man. Spirits fly. What fun it is to fly. Oh.
Sorry. Oops, back up here. I forgot that other ending. Hey! That's how it ends. This is the way it first ends, and then that's the way it second ends.
What is that?
That's just extra notes to finish the song.
Do it.
Do the extra songs?
Yeah.
Extra notes?
What?
Those are the extra notes. There's no words that go with them. It's just how to finish the song.
What did you do?
I just played all these notes to finish the song, like you asked me to. See,
Yeah.
and you end very quiet.
Jingle bells, bye bye, jingle bells. Well, I got some here.
Oh, yeah, we can do those tomorrow.
What? Jingle bell rock.
Yeah. Jingle bell rock. That's how it's a little bit different.
What's that?
Elementary piano solos.
What?
That's got all the level that mommy can handle.
What?